Oh, hey, yeah. Oh, this looks tasty. Yeah. Oh, you want some?
Sure. Oh, I want some. I want some.
Oh, is it pretty good? You want some? Oh,
Oh, I made another donut for you.
oh, thank you. I really appreciate this. This is a great way to get the work done, isn't it? We don't actually put it in our mouth though.
No, it's real
All
donut.
right. Hey, you know what? I am going to
Hey,
film a video.
students.
I'm gonna film
Hey,
a video right now. Okay, guess what? It's already
Hey,
been recording.
superstars.
Okay, that's right. You know what I said.
Hey.
Good morning, room 2.
Mhm.
Today is Friday. And
Friday.
it is May 14th, 2020.
This is a weird computer.
A little bit.
I'm going that way. I'm going this way,
Mhm.
but it actually shows I'm going that way.
What direction is that over there? Left
Shop is at the
and right.
No, I
But yeah,
can't
it is
see
reversed on the screen, but it will look okay once we film
Hey, superstars, how you doing? Hey, superstars.
it. Okay, I'm going to get started. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, everybody.
You can see how it's going. It's going great. I get to spend all this wonderful time with my kids. Today is Friday, May 14th, 2020, and it's Friday for sure. So we have a new way that we're going to work with words today, and I thought this would be more fun today to take a break from some of the other sentences you've been working on. Keep working on sentences, but I'm going to show you this. Okay, so for word study, we're going to do name study. Now, do you remember in class when we used to sing the name study song? Word study, name study, you can learn from the name of a body. Is the name of the day. Well, today, you're going to do a family name study with the first name of everyone in your house. In my house, we have Jason, that's me, Finley, and Luella. So with all three of these names, what we can do is we can search for other words hiding in these names. So I can even just keep the names like they are. In my name, I see as, on, a, son, like son and daughter. This is a son. But then down here in Finley's name, there's an in. In Luella's name, I see Lou, that's somebody else's name, and Ella, that's also the name of a person or many people. But you can also scramble these words around and make new words. Like this one, I'm going to take an L, an E, an A, and an N from my name. And now I have lean. And I can even say O-N, lean on. Is there an M? If there was an M, I could do lean on me. And there is an E. We're just missing an M. Lean on E. So I want you to take the names of everyone in your house. Mix up the letters. See if you can build new words with names. So when I say word study, name study, you can learn from the name of a body. Jason, Finley, Luella are the names of the day. In your house, it's not going to be Jason, Luella, and Finley, though. It's going to be your family's names. Okay, so now, for writing, we're going to make one more how-to book this year. One more. This is going to be the best how-to book you've ever made. The best. And the way you're going to start is today and this weekend. I want you to do things step by step. And while you're doing them, write down on notes what the steps are. And just keep those notes. Don't even worry about the paper that we write how-tos on. Not yet. That'll be next week. But I want you to choose, after you've done a few things, choose the one thing that you really know how to do, because this will be the last how-to you ever write in kindergarten. And it's going to be the best. So you have to think really hard. What's something I'm really good at doing that I could teach the whole world how to do? Think hard about it. do it a few times and take little notes. Keep those notes. That's what writers do. Did you know that my mom is an author? And my mom, well, used to be a teacher, but now she's an author, and she's written lots of books. And in her office, when I go to visit, she's got notes everywhere, little pieces of paper on the wall, just to help her remember the steps and the characters. So authors really do this. You are an author. Let me hear you say it. I am an author. I hope you said it. Say it proud and loud. I am an author. Okay, so do some how-tos, take notes, and then you're going to choose one on Monday. And you're going to start putting a lot of good effort and trying really hard on that one. For reading, go back to Raz Kids and Freckle. All right, Raz Kids especially for the reading. Freckle has a lot of other activities you can do for math and language arts. For math, you're going to do 12 mixed addition and subtraction again. We got to get really used to that. And if you're still saying, what's 2 plus 4? Well, then we need to practice some of those beginning addition. You should be able to know those math facts, like 2 plus 4 equals 6. 1 plus 1 equals, yeah, that's one of the first ones you ever learn. 1 and 1 is 2. So go down there and check out the 12 math mixed addition and subtraction. This weekend, I want you to spend a lot of time thinking about your family, thinking about how you can be a kind part of your family. And then do it. Don't just think about it. Do it. Start now. What can you do to be helpful? You know, your families, the tall people in your families, like your moms and dads and grandmas and grandpas, whoever lives with you, did you know that they're working really hard too right now? Even though some people might not even be leaving the house, everyone is working hard. Everyone's putting a lot of energy and effort into staying happy and healthy. And they want you to be happy and healthy too. So how can you help the tall people in your house? Can you help by maybe just clean up that mess you accidentally made? You don't have to be told to do it. Maybe put things away after you take them out. That's just being responsible. How can you make everyone in your family smile? How? Everyone needs to smile. You need to smile. Your family needs to smile. And I know that sometimes in my house is a little messy right now, but you know what? I know exactly how to make myself smile. And that's just by saying, can you please help clean up the stuffed animals? And when I know that they do it, I just smile because that's being responsible. But my smile gets even bigger when they pick things up without me asking. So what can you do to help your family? And how can you make everyone smile without them having to ask you to do something? Please, let's be a helper around the house this weekend. And I think that I know you know that when your parents and grandmas and grandpas and aunties and uncles are happy, you're happy too. Has anyone ever seen some of the grown-ups in your house say, "Ah, ah," or something like that? Yeah. Well, you can actually help and turn that into a It's up to you. Responsibility, respectful, first time listening, kindness. Have a wonderful weekend. And I can't wait to see you at 10 o'clock this morning. Maybe I already saw you, but at 10 o'clock this morning, we'll do our check-in. All right. See you then.